Hello friends, welcome to Miss Mo's Vegan Kitchen. It's Monica coming to you from Toronto, Canada. Axel is watching movies tonight with his boyfriend, Alex. So he is not joining us. We're having sushi tonight, friends. Look at that. We just finished rolling them all. So inside we've got cucumber, peppers, carrots, green onion, cilantro, apple, tofu, rice of course, and I think that's it. The dipping sauce is just tamari, maple syrup, and sesame oil. And then we have these soy wrappers. First time making those. Oh. How is everyone doing? Last night we stayed on live for like 2 hours and 45 minutes or something. You okay? I hear Axel coughing. I get so nervous when somebody eats, especially kids. And then you hear them cough because instantly I think they're choking. God. Oh, Terry, that was a big burp. It must be full. He was eating dinner too. Oh, there's sweet potato? Right. Did I say that? Oh, no. So good, friends. What's your favorite ingredients to put in sushi rolls? Either homemade or ordering it. So we just do the sweet potatoes like sweet potato fries. Bake them in the oven. I don't put anything on them because you're going to have all this other stuff. I find you don't really need much on them. We switch it up a lot. But I always think I'm going to make separate rolls for each ingredient, and then I'm like, forget that. That's too much sushi. So then I just put it all in one roll and make like a combo roll. It's so good. And if you've never made sushi with fruit in it, try it. I mean, you can add it in here like we have the apple. But if not, just fruit sushi on its own. It is so good. A lot of sushi places sell mango roll. And then they make like a mango pureed sauce to go drizzle on top. But I don't see them put any other fruit in there. So we like apple. We have made candied apples, like caramelized apples. Oh my gosh. Caramelized bananas. Pear. Berries. It's all just so good. Dragon fruit. Ah, come on. Oh well. Alright, this is not staying together, friends. I brought a spoon to put a little bit of this sauce. I don't want to put too much because then it's going to make a huge mess. Oh, it has such a nice flavor. Oh my gosh, that is good. So I do the rice in the Instant Pot. I also have a microwave rice steamer, but I haven't tried it yet. Maybe I'll try that next time. And in the rice itself, I put a big hunk of ginger cut in half, mushroom powder, tamari, sesame oil, I think that's it. Just to give it some extra flavor. Usually I'll put rice wine vinegar. Oh, and maple syrup. So good. I was thinking of doing some banana muffins, but I didn't get everything ready, so I might just do that tomorrow. What are you having today? I just finished watching Annie. Oh, I didn't realize that I don't have the fireplace on. Oops. That's okay. I'll put it on for the Facebook Live. Friends, I have gotten such positive feedback about coming on live every night on Facebook. Last night was super long. I don't think I'll do it that long tonight, but I love this hat. It's a lot of fun. Actually, I definitely won't be doing it as long tonight because Axel's going to be in his room. Excuse me, friends. So, I'm going to do some crocheting, though, instead of coloring tonight, because I did crochet the first night with a little bit of coloring. Last night I did coloring only, as y'all saw, if you watched. And tonight I'm going to do crochet again. Excuse me. I'm just looking at the coloring books and deciding which one I want to use. I've had some requests to do some crochet tutorials again. I used to do them years ago. Like, we're talking maybe, I don't know how many years ago. 8 years ago? And we had a lot of followers. And I found an amazing community of fellow crocheters and crafters. It was great. Well, and then when we left, some people looked us up on Facebook, and we're still friends to this day. Yay! So exciting. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, friends. This one's really falling apart. Oh. Alrighty then. I'm so full. We had ordered hand rolls one time at a sushi restaurant. But they just used seaweed wrap, the nori sheet, and just folded it into a cone like this. It wasn't this kind of a thing. We got these at T&T before they closed down. Friends, how I say that at a time like this, you're going to see some awful people. Yes, of course. But you are going to see some amazing, amazing people. The outpouring of love and support in our community has been wonderful. There are people who are healthy, going out and shopping for other people who are in self-quarantine. Like I mentioned how our friend Maxine went and got us stuff yesterday. And I have another person who is willing to go and get us more stuff. And I mean, Maxine would go too, again, if I called her. Called on her. Excuse me. And it's just so, it's amazing. Because we don't order delivery. We don't have credit cards. My bank is called Simply. It used to be President's Choice Financial. Now they switched over to Simply, and Simply doesn't have debit credit cards, where a lot of banks do have it. I thought he was coming out here. So yeah, I just, whoever shops for us, I just send them an e-transfer. And the reason why I stayed with Simply was because they have zero fees for like everything. You don't pay for your checks. You don't pay for your interactions. Not interactions. Whatever it's called. I can't think right now. Friends, I'm so hot in this hat, but I don't know where I did with my Stand Up Against Transphobia hat. I've been wearing that thing forever, and we haven't left the house. Hi, Nana. The lights just blinked. And I don't know what I did with it. I'm trying to think. Nothing's in my backpack. I don't know. It's so weird, friends. And I feel so weird when not wearing that hat. Like, it makes me comfortable now. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you know when we put up a new video. We love you. Wash your hands. Keep smiling and stay blessed. Bye, friends.